Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OnlyFans error messages. So just tap on my Safari browser and log into my account of OnlyFans page. So how it's fixed to this message error problem in this account. So why does OnlyFans keep saying something went wrong? Many issues can result in this message being shown. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Also refreshing the page or signing out and in again usually solves the problem. Sometimes it may during a poor internet connection that cannot be load on this account. So there are many reasons to see this problem on it. So make sure your internet connection is accurate, good, and application is up there. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.